You don't have design skills? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to create a professional document with Claude. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that these are enabled. Go to your profile, click on Settings, and then click on Capabilities. Scroll down to the very bottom and make sure that Allow Network Egress is on, as well as the code execution and file creation. Now we can start making our professional document. Let's say I want to make a professional document about AI automation. So I'm just going to say here, create me a professional document about the benefits of AI automation. Make it look corporate and easy to comprehend. Now once that's done, I just click enter and Claude should start making my document for me. Now because this is such a complicated task, it would take about 2 to 3 minutes, so I'm just going to speed it up. So once it's done, it should look something like this, and when you scroll to the bottom, you can see the document. You can open it and it shows up to the side right here. There, as you can see, Claude already did my research for me and the document looks really professional and well made. Now let me just check if everything is okay. Now I just click download once I'm satisfied and it should automatically download the file for me in Word. There, as you can see, I can even open the file in Word. Now if you want to make a few tweaks and changes on your document, that's definitely okay. Just write the prompt about it. Like for example, I want to change the spacing to 1.15. I want to change the color palette to dark orange and stuff like that. You can even italicize keywords or maybe change the size of the words and the text style. Now write a prompt about it and it should automatically change it for you. A feature that is not present in other models. If you want to export it in PDF format, just chat convert the document to PDF format, and then you should be able to do so. Yeah, so that's how you can create a professional document in Claude AI.